What is Hive ransomware? First observed in June 2021, Hive is an affiliate-based ransomware variant used by cybercriminals to conduct ransomware attack against healthcare facilities, non-profit, retailers, energy provider, and other sectors worldwide. According to the alert, Hive operator used phishing mails, molecular attachment to gain intel access to the system, and remote desktop protocol literally once on the network. Ransomware attack usually demand to payment to be wired through Western Union paid through a specialized text message. Some attacker demanding payment to the form of gift card like an Amazon and iTunes gift card. Hive ransomware attack rose by 92.7% in 2021 compared to the 2022 levels, with 1,389 reported attack in 2020 and 2,069 in 2021.